We just hung all of our lights and our star on our first tree, but Cully is sad because he has sap on his hands. So we're gonna try the cooking oil method. Poor Cully.
I know. I can't open the bottle. It's gonna be all sappy, so you have to put the safety seal on there. Great. It's just the time you want it to be safety sealed.
I'm putting the camera down.
It's childproof. You can't get it open.
Alright, here we go.
No, gentle. Gentle. It feels kind of nice. Just rub it.
Rub it.
My hands gonna smell like vegetable oil all night now.
At least they won't be sappy. It doesn't really smell.
Smells good. How long?
Just for a little bit. That's probably good. And then soap, rinse, and then soap and water. Look at those veins in your arm. Look at those guns. Better?
Yep.
Yay! Vegetable oil worked. No more sap. Cullen loves Wesson vegetable oil.
Alright.
Alright, Merry Christmas.